Good morning, YouTube. We have some stuff to get done today, and first I'm going to get some gas in my car. So I am going to BJ's, and then I have to go to the laundromat, and I want to wash my car also and pump this week because it's going flat. I don't have enough gas in my car, so I'm hoping that it takes me to BJ's, because while living in Orlando, I know BJ's and Sam's and like 7-Eleven, those gas work perfectly. Those company gas work perfectly with my car. So I want to go to BJ's and see what's going on down there. So let's go, y'all. Let's go to BJ's. Guys, we're at the laundromat. I didn't get a video on me getting gas because that was a whole different kind of story. The struggle is real out here, but hey, we're washing. We got another set down here as well. What happened? She's gonna clean the bathroom. She wanted to spray the tub. She's gonna take care of this while she took care of this. And where she is, the bigger one take care of this. That's our bed, y'all. Regina. You see this, right? Attitude there, give me Regina. But me call your name and I'll know you not look for me. Me a video you so I can go back and show you. Yes, it's for the bathroom. Scrape. I know I said clean the kitchen. I mean said the stove needs to clean off. The kitchen needs to sweep out. Clean the kitchen properly. You hear me tell her, guys? Properly. Alright. And then when I get back, I gotta sweep this place and mop it. But I need some stuff. So, what you two doing? Checking on these two. I took the sheet off because I have to wash them. Hey. What you want now? You come and hug me. What you want? Why you hugging me? You think you're slick? When you hug me, you want something. Where is May? I just washed a bunch of clothes, as you guys know. A whole bunch of clothes in this bag. I don't have nowhere to put my clothes now, so we just got to dig into them right now. It's crazy. I don't like that. I can't fold my clothes and put them away. Okay. I'm gonna wash the car right now. Let's go. hungry right now, so I'm gonna make me a little quick meal. Alright, some yogurt with blueberries and my Nature Valley protein. Let's go. This is it, guys. This is the white rice. Some baked chicken. Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I'm just running on the road today. It's raining outside, but I'm bored inside, to be honest. I don't have any work today, so I have decided to go on the road. Well, I know where. I have an idea where I'm going. I think I'm going to look in Burlington just to check what's in there. I don't got money, but we could do eye shopping, I'm bored. And then I want to go get some meat because I want to start cook early today, and we don't got meat in the house. Like, boy. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. So we're going to Burlington. Let's go. I'm thinking about pork chops. I don't like my face lately, but because it was breaking out, I just had to just leave it. And I tell you, my face was horrible, but it's coming back. I follow my daughter and I remedy them. So you see my face right now is shine. It's Vaseline. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it cut back, because I used to use my Perfect White on my face or my Claritone, but I don't put nothing on my phone for a minute. And then anytime I realize that I stop using those kind of products though, my face always like break out. Yes. So I'm gonna just bring my face back together in one piece and not in pieces. Oh my god. Thought I was close to Burlington, but that's Burlington, y'all. And we're going in it. This girl. We're going in it. Not bad, Burlington. This is full. I wasn't expecting full. But they look like they got some stuff over here. One place I'm going to though, I'm heading to the home side. The home side, y'all. If you know, you know. Let's see. Where should I start? Okay. Three-piece. $6.99, $7. Okay. I really need a cutting board too. Like $8. How much of the tree? $12. That makes sense. $12.99. Okay. The glass that I want to get though, it's in Walmart. I need that mirror. I don't know. This clock's still a thing. Like, I like this one too. Ooh, I need a vacuum, y'all. $79. Not bad. If I had it, I would have buy this right now. $18.
It's a right time because you're in Burlington, but I know.
Okay, these are baskets. I was wondering, should I put one of these over the toilet or not?
Not really. I already did like something.
This is
Something like
nice.
this.
$70. I need some of these things, but these are too small. I probably have to go on Amazon. It's not bad. I think I need the bigger ones though. Two of these is for $7.
I'm about to delete all my apps.
Okay, I'm going back this way.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Or is it there? Look.
I think it's the color, but I'm just looking right now. I need something like this for fruits.
Look at that is small.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was like $12.99. Ah. Those are $12.99. That's for $15. I like that. I like it too. I'm gonna pour with it. $6.
Didn't it?
Yeah, it's cute.
Look at this one.
Look at that.
Look at this one. It kind of look.
Yeah,
I like it.
This said fork, knives, and spoon. That's cute. Different. My belly has that one. My belly has 16 plates. Alright, I really don't want nothing in this. It's not getting like they got a lot of stuff for me. This is.
You like it?
It's
This one made been already.
we call us matty something there.
This? Like
Yeah.
crochet?
No, the matty
Wood?
that I know wood.
Iron? I don't know.
But ease up them here. Ease up this. Let me see this.
The Mona Lisa?
The whole of them like this.
The brown jeans. Be careful with them on.
Is it $50? Maybe it's still black. This is doing something to my eyes. Oh my god.
What do this?
Yeah. It's not doing something to your eyes.
Look at these little cards. Oh, look at cards. Look at these cards.
Thank you.
Look at these. Like a little. You feel it? Literally has stones on it. Or,
This is nice.
Mm-hmm. You can feel the texture. Feel it.
Okay. I'm looking. Don't you see that? I'm all over the place. What's it? What's it?
More worry less. God is.
This what I'm talking about.
God is.
Okay.
Trust in the Lord.
So acceptance are gonna
Also
change.
need the serenity to accept the
The
things I
courage to
cannot
change
change and
things I
change the things,
And the
and
wisdom to
courage
know
to
that.
change the things that I can, wisdom to know the difference.
This is nice.
I know, and Auntie Esther had this in her house. It wasn't as big as, I don't think it was big as this, but it was like a little brick thing.
Mm-hmm. That's could be a nice little side piece.
Cheers.
$100, y'all.
I'm about thinking that this chair can work.
Oh, and they have a table too.
I like this chair. That is for $59. $54, I think. Around 55.
Hi.
I like the. It can kind of look like a shell.
Like a what?
Like a shell. You know that kind of look.
A shell?
On the beach. Them look
Oh.
unique looking somewhere. I didn't look like. Yeah, and then I like this one.
Caught in the creek. Lemon sea salt scent.
What just someone put on this?
It's decor, right? This scent starts to hurt my head immediately, like room spray. The lemon. I love me a good candle, y'all. This smell nice. Midnight, fresh smell. It have cashmeres and jasmine. Oh, that smell good. Too sweet though. This smell good though. It's $11.99. It's big too.
What does it smell like to you? It smells like something I just can't remember what.
Remember either. I like this. this. Check our vacuum. Should I buy this? She said, welcome to Five Below. This is all we got right here. You get some meats, curry, some beans, chicken and all-purpose, mackerel. You get scallion and thyme, and some peas. This is in Burlington. This is some 4-pack sponge rods. I buy me these socks. It's like 15 pair for $10. And I did run to the 99-cent store to grab me some scour thing. And I saw this, and I got that too. And this knife set. And I also get this in Burlington. And a package came in from Amazon. I think this is a camera. And yeah, I think this is a camera. This is dinner. I'm gonna let it drain. And then I'm gonna season it up and throw it in the oven real quick. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. We're gonna share the meat on it right now. When food is served. Cook with pork chops. That's what's left.